Chapter 11. Building an enviable client database. To build a successful business, you need as many good clients as possible. Due to the current economic climate, clients' expectations have increased fourfold. Clients invariably have 2 to 3 agencies to work with, so if your service is not up to scratch, then you'll find yourself playing second fiddle to competitors. Building a strong relationship with each client is fundamental to your success, and building those relationships involves hard work. You'll need to keep in regular contact with each client. This can be done by sending them timely sales letters, promoting your top 10 candidates or special promotions. In your recruitment pack, you'll find a useful survey form that will help you to find out as much as possible about your client, which will help you to formulate a strategy on how best to meet their needs. I would strongly recommend that you categorize your client database as follows: existing clients, companies you are currently doing business with; warm prospects, have used you in the past and will quite likely use you in the future as and when they have a requirement; potential clients, these are clients who are using your competitors or perhaps a lead from a candidate's CV or a company that you know regularly recruits, albeit not with you; suspects, these are potential clients you would like to have but as yet have no relationship with them. Let's call them dream clients. Most recruitment businesses have some form of contact management software so that they can monitor and categorize their database. It's important that you keep the information on your database as simple and up-to-date as possible. As your business grows, your team members will have to understand clearly the information held on your database. Therefore, keep it simple. No need for complex codes as though you were working for MI5. Ensure you have the basics. Firstly, client details, industry, all names and addresses, telephone numbers, especially mobile numbers and email addresses of key decision makers. The type of business, number of employees, key personnel, turnover, etc. Types of staff that you have placed with them or you know they always have a need for. Frequency, when the last time the client used your service. And finance, how much business you have got from this client and what is the potential for future business. Customer information. The information stored should give you a complete history of your relationship with the client, who the key decision makers are, line managers, list of departments, etc. Having the names of key players for your client is invaluable, especially as a number of companies are adopting a no names policy. By recording all transactions in your database, including what your client's requirements are, will help you to foster close ties for the future, making it difficult for your competitors to muscle in on your business. In business, as in life, you reap what you sow. Your database is only as good as the information you put in. GIGO, as they say, garbage in, garbage out. Collecting the right information requires not only commitment, but a keen desire to keep the information as up to date as possible. It's so important that your database is updated regularly. Recent research by the Royal Mail showed that 85% of employers surveyed agreed that inaccuracies in the name and addresses reflected badly on the image of the company. Think about how you feel when you receive a letter with the incorrect name or address, or you receive something that is totally irrelevant to you. It probably heads straight for the filing cabinet marked bin. It's fundamental to keep in contact with your clients. People like to buy from people they like. With time, your clients will grow to trust you and the likelihood of them switching to another supplier is heavily minimised. Also, your clients are more likely to give you more business, as they trust you and they know you and that you understand their needs. A little time builds a lot of loyalty. Your database will help you manage many relationships effectively. Research shows that it costs 5 to 10 times more in resources to replace a client than it does to retain one. There is clear evidence that emphasis should be placed on retaining important clients and enhancing their business relationships. Again, your database can help you to leverage your activity. I would recommend at this stage that you create a matchmaker file with client details of clients who use your candidates in your chosen niche market. This file is built up over a period of time. You can source clients from your candidates' CVs. This is known as CV stripping, plus clients who you come across from your day-to-day business development activities.